video. We're out here at Chrome Horsepower Festival. 3 days of mental track action, man. Let's get it. And this weekend we've got Garage 5 and 6, man. We've got such a good setup. All the homies there. We've got the bro Doug's JZX 110. We got Brent's JZX 100. We've all been out there having fun on track. We've got Sam's K70 Corolla. We've seen this before, man. Black top turbo. I took it for a drive yesterday and it was wild, man. And we got my JZX 110. We've been out there having races this morning, having fun, man. This is such a good event. Such variety of cars. The 110's loving it, man. We're having a good time. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Love a cold track. Let's go have some fun. Just out on track, man. First pull was brutal in this thing. Whoa, brutal. This thing just hooks up to it. See ya. Now we're going out on track again. We're going in Sam's K70 Corolla. Quinn, you're in the back. I love this car. It's a wild ride, man. Let's go have some fun. Last session of the day. Shit's getting wild out there, guys. We got some of the boys in the car. What's your names, boys?
James, Connor.
James and Connor, man. We're gonna go have a wild ride out on track. You ever been out on Hampton Downs?
Yep. Yep.
All right, we'll show you some fast times out in the 110. Let's go.
Let's do it.
All right, we're out on track. I think every car in the venue's out now. This is crazy. Yeah, me too. Goes alright, eh?
That's quick.
Guys, we're down here outside the garages and the vibe is so intense, man. There's loud V8's, rotors everywhere, RBs, everything sounding so good, man. Right, in the 110, let's hit the track, man. Today we're also running a merch booth, man. We've got our 2 t-shirt designs up. We've got the girls, man, in the booth. We've got my daughter Quinn and my wife Sue. What's up, girls? We got the new jet tags out here. We got some new stickers as well, man. If you guys love the merch, cornerhunter.co.nz. How good is this FDRX7, man? I love it in white, the contrasting with the black wheels and the full cage, man. This is a serious car. I heard it out there on track, man, screaming its head off. And this is a car we needed a better look at, man. Quad rotor supercharged 929. How rad is this, man? I've never seen a setup like this before. I've seen turbo quad rotors, but never supercharged. Big blower on the top. This thing sounded so aggressive out there, man. Absolutely screaming its head off. And this Evo catches everyone's attention. Look how wide it is on the big work wheels. The red and the gold just pops, man. But the one thing I love about this car is a turbo sticking through the front bumper. How wild is this, man? Through the grille here. Woo! This car's an absolute weapon. Can't wait to see it out on track. We got this tough crew down here. I love this wide body chaser, man. We saw this a few weeks ago down in Tauranga. So cool, so aggressive. And we got the homies GDR here. Millennium Jade, big power RB engine. I love the engine bay on this thing, man. Bullet cam covers, plenum, man, the works. What a tough build. How good is this RX2 in red on the gold wheels? Man, I love RX3s. It's my favorite shape. Here we got an RX4 too. This one out on the track having fun. We've been racing them a bit, man. Good fun. Had to check out these 2 cars as well. This 13B Cosmo is a burnout machine, man. I love it rocking the big gold wheels. This is sick. Was over in Oz represented, man. And then over here, this is perfection to me. The smaller quips, chromed out engine bay. Ported rotary screaming its head off, man. What a wild weapon. What Now we're down trackside, the roll racing's going down. The highest horsepower cars of the day are out there, man. Let's check out the action and see who's going to be number 1. Things are about to get serious, guys. We're in the 4-wheel drive turbo class now. The GDRs are lined up. We've got the super aggressive looking R32. Seen it before, big power car versus an R35. Who's going to take this down, man? My money's on the R32. Come on. R35's got fast shifts though. There they go. Oh, R35. Oh, walked him, man. Those fast gear shifts, man. Next up, we got Deceiving, roll racing champion. Absolutely gone, man. Former champion out there, decimating all. Next up, we got a Drift 2 JC battle. Next up, 2 of the biggest power GDRs here. Deceiving in the left lane, roll racing champion. Damn, that was just gone. What a weapon. Next up we got a track Evo versus a big power street GDR. Oh, look at that Evo, just walked him. Next up, Dodge SRT versus big power R32 GDR. Oh, super close race. Next up we got this roll racing specialist Evo versus an R33 GDR. Absolutely gone, what a weapon. These noises, got my daughter Quinn filming. Sam's let us drive, take it out for a couple of laps. Absolutely love this car. It is mental. Popping and banging, making all the good noises. Far out. This is such a good car. 210 kilowatt. It runs a forged bottom end, black top head, man. So good. Thanks, Sam, for letting me drive it. What a sick car. Big backfires, guys. I want to say a massive thank you to today's video sponsor, Helensville Mechanical Services. If you need servicing, repair, wafts or tires, man, head up the team at Helensville Mechanical Services and they'll treat you right. One thing I love doing is checking out all the cars in the garage, man. This one here's got a variety going on. Tough Evos, GDRs, man. Let's go have a better look. Man, I'm in heaven. Everywhere I look, there's just tough cars, man. Check out this Evo 3. Look at that inlet planner. Man, what a work of art. Cinco manifold there. Bet you this thing makes some big power. We've got our friend Callan's Evo 5. This is an absolute weapon, man. I love it on the R33 GDRs. Boys doing some work, but look at the size of the turbo here. Man, this thing flew past me on track like I was standing still, man. What a weapon. And this is one of the things we love about Chrome, man. Cars pushed to the limits, break things, everyone's in there working on it to get it back out on track, man. Look how serious this Evo is. Big turbo set up through the grille. This car's been worked on by Ortec. Check out that manifold, far out. Over here we got a really tough turbo Integra, the T37s. Man, the vibe down in pit lane is so good, guys. Cars revving up in the background, screaming down the back straight, so good. And this is what we love, man. Car culture in New Zealand. The crew from Rip and Roll bringing the whole fleet out. This is what I love, man. Hondas, we got Audis, we got Supras, Evos, everything. This is a huge crew. They're all out here having fun. Cars going out on track now. The cruise session has just gone live, man. We're gonna head out in the Mark II soon, have some races. Man, this Supra stopped me in my tracks. That color, the Redox kit and the big dish wheels. Damn, that's cool. Man, the vibe is pumping down here, guys. And this is another fan favorite, going by the name B2K. Check out how wild this mini truck is, man. Look at the intake and exhaust setup. Have you ever seen anything like that before? Out there absolutely screaming, man. The boy gets into burnouts and stuff. Such a good car. The girls just been out for the girls only session. My daughter Quinn's been out there having a good time in the Corolla. Oh man, I love to see it. She's having a great time. Been out in my car. We've been out ripping Sam's Corolla as well. What do you think, bud? Good ride? Yeah. This is a car we needed a better look at, man. Look how serious this Scotland is. Massive exhaust out down by the wheel there. That turbo, man, that's a head-sized turbo. I reckon that's the biggest turbo I've ever seen. Far out. All the hyper-tune gear in there. Apparently this thing makes 1,500 horsepower from what I hear. Might even be more, man. I saw it out on track yesterday. What a lethal weapon. And now we've got absolutely everything. We've got supercars. Check out this Lambo looking hot and green, man. Next to a BMW, next to a Falcon, next to a Skyline, man. Every car here. This is sick, guys. We had to take a better look at this A31 Zafiro. You don't see them this clean anymore. This one rocking a Euro body kit and Drift Tech wheels. Real throwback car, man. I love to see it. Down by the skid pan, we have a tough crew of R33s out there sliding. Look at that red one looking a gangster. Tough, my G. I love to see it. And this one on the big dish wheels, man. I've seen this rolling around all weekend. Looking sick. Day 3 of Chrome, guys. We're out here. We're about to hit the track, man. The cars are warming up. The vibe is pumping, man. Let's get it. That's a wrap from Chrome. 3 days out on track, man. What a wild weekend. The New Zealand car community came together. We all had so much fun out on track, man. Massive thanks to the Premier Events team for putting this event on. We couldn't have all this fun without you guys, man. Big thanks to my crew at Helensville Mechanical Services, my wife and daughter for all their support, man. Everyone that came said what up, checked out the car, man, came for rides. This was absolutely epic, man. If you love to see it, man, you know what to do. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. We'll keep the content coming.